Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that has made a significant difference for aquarium enthusiasts, the Drip Acclimation Kit for both saltwater and freshwater aquariums. We've come across this handy tool and have placed a link in the description for you to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the Drip Acclimation Kit? This adjustable slow drip system is designed specifically to help you acclimate your aquatic pets, such as fish, shrimp, coral, and plants, to new water conditions. It's an essential tool for anyone looking to maintain a healthy aquarium environment. One of the standout features of this kit is its user-friendly design. It incorporates a siphon water absorption mechanism that simplifies the acclimation process into just 2 easy steps. First, you attach the clamp to your fish tank, then submerge the tube into the water. By rolling the flow control valve to the end, you close the valve, squeeze the drip chamber a couple of times, and watch as the water flows into the chamber. Once you open the valve, the water from your fish tank will drip out at a controlled rate. Speaking of control, the Drip Acclimation Kit offers a precise drips control guideline tailored for various aquatic life. For delicate species like shrimps, snails, and aquatic crabs, you can set the drip rate to 1 to 2 drops per second. For slightly more robust fish such as puffers and gobies, a rate of 2 to 3 drops per second is recommended. And for the majority of other fish, you can comfortably adjust it to 2 to 4 drops per second. This versatility ensures that you can meet the unique acclimation needs of different aquatic creatures. Who is this kit suitable for? If you're a hobbyist who enjoys keeping fish, aquatic crabs, shrimps, or even coral and aquatic plants, this kit is a must-have. It caters to both beginners and seasoned aquarium owners alike, providing a reliable method to introduce new inhabitants to your tank without the stress of sudden changes in water conditions. In practical terms, this kit is particularly useful when you're adding new fish or other aquatic life to your tank. Whether you're introducing a new coral species, acclimating shrimp, or simply need to adjust the conditions for sensitive aquatic plants, this system ensures that the process is both gentle and effective. It's also a great tool for use in fish acclimation boxes, keeping your aquatic pets safe and healthy during transitions. In summary, the Drip Acclimation Kit for aquariums is an all-in-one solution that provides stable and precise conditions for your aquatic pets. It's easy to use, versatile, and essential for anyone passionate about maintaining a thriving aquarium. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.